Welcome back, everyone. Today we're embracing fall with farmhouse garden gate ideas that bring rustic charm and the warmth of autumn right to your entryway. From seasonal decor to natural elements, let's transform your garden gate into a welcoming sight. Start by adding pops of autumn color. Garlands of fall leaves in shades of orange, red, and yellow can drape beautifully around your gate. These colors immediately signal the change in season and add a warm, inviting touch to your entrance. A rustic wreath is a classic choice for fall. Look for one made with pine cones, dried flowers, and maybe a burlap or gingham bow to bring that farmhouse feel. Hang it right in the center of your gate for an instant touch of charm. Nothing says fall quite like pumpkins. Arrange a few pumpkins or gourds along the base of your gate, varying sizes and colors for an authentic farmhouse feel. It's an easy way to celebrate the harvest season and bring in that traditional autumn look. Lanterns bring a soft, warm glow to your garden gate, especially as the days get shorter. Place a few rustic lanterns near the gate and fill them with candles or fairy lights to create a magical, cozy feel in the evening hours. For a true farmhouse vibe, add natural elements like corn stalks, hay bales, or dried wheat bundles. These elements not only celebrate fall, but bring a bit of the countryside to your garden, giving it a welcoming, rural charm. Add a personal touch with a vintage-style sign. A small wooden sign with "Welcome" or "Harvest" written on it can give your gate that friendly, homey feel. Lean it against the gate or hang it to welcome guests with a rustic touch. Brighten up your gate area with seasonal flowers like chrysanthemums, marigolds, or mums. Plant them in rustic pots or metal buckets and place them along the gate for an extra pop of color and life that complements the autumn decor. Finally, add some DIY decor. Try making a small scarecrow or a homemade garland with dried leaves or mini pumpkins. These touches bring personality and make your fall farmhouse garden gate uniquely yours. And there you have it, simple, beautiful ways to create a fall-inspired farmhouse garden gate. With these ideas, you'll have a cozy, welcoming entrance perfect for the season. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more seasonal decor ideas.